Hi, and today I am working with Word 2016 showing how to text on PDF and JPEG file. First, I'm going to left click the insert key. Now I'm going to scroll down and right to shapes and left click. Pick the shape that you would like to write in and left click. Now position the shape by using the plus symbol holding down the left button. Now with the cursor inside the shape, right click. Scroll to Add Text, left click. Formats, different color options. Also, by right-clicking in the shape, we'll open up another option menu to adjust text. To remove the shape outline, scroll up to Shape Outline and left-click. Then scroll down and left-click. Now click outside the shape, left-click. Thanks for watching.